Introducing the Pleatco Advanced Spa Filter Cartridges powered by Pleatco Advanced Point Bonded Filtration Fabric, optimized for spas. All Pleatco Advanced Spa Filter Cartridges are built around a specifically engineered heavier 3.2-ounce point bonded filtration fabric meticulously constructed with a high volume of incredibly fine filter strands providing better flow, higher dirt holding capacity, and longer performance life than any competitive filter. Due to the finer fibers and high-tech construction technique, this new point-bonded filtration fabric has a larger cumulative wet surface area. This means the new advanced fabric traps a higher concentration of oils, lotions, and dirt, and is optimized for hot water and high bather load environments. The construction of Pleatco Advanced Point-Bonded Filtration Fabric allows the release of greater volumes of trapped dirt within the fabric when being cleaned, returning the filter to a high level of original performance. Spa and hot tub owners can clean the new advanced fabric filters simply and effectively, resulting in better flow, less maintenance, and longer cycle times between cleaning. Pleatco Advanced Point Bonded Spa Filtration Fabric is exclusive and unique to Pleatco. No other point bonded fabric comes close. In addition, Pleatco Advanced Spa Filter Cartridges are constructed around the Pleatco's Free Flow core, which provides greater flow for vigorous hot tub jet performance. The combination of the new Pleatco Advanced Filtration Fabric and Pleatco Free Flow Core creates a powerful filtration system, delivering rapid, highly consistent, repeatable cleaning power. You can replace any type or make of filter cartridge with a superior Pleatco cartridge. New Pleatco Advanced Spa Filter Cartridges provide spa owners peace of mind to relax and focus on what's truly important: health and happiness. Pleatco Advanced Spa. Healthier, happier, easier. Pleatco, the clean water company.